Miss Gorgeous is asking for my thoughts on Filipinos saying Boracay the way foreigners, mostly Americans, say it with the first syllable stress instead of pronouncing it the way the locals do. Boracay, Boracay. Actually, po ma'am, this is an excellent observation of how Filipinos and foreigners say this word differently. Sa language natin, we tend to follow the rules and the rhythm of our language. That's why it's pronounced Boracay. And that's what happens with our foreigners. We tend to, this is quite a phenomenon, you know, we tend to follow the rules and the natural flow of our language when we're trying to learn new languages. Kaya siguro nasasabi nilang Boracay. But ako personally, I have one rule when it comes to proper nouns. Leave them alone the way they're supposed to be pronounced. Or better yet, check with the locals. The locals. Kasi sila lang naman talaga ang may alam sa tamang pagbigkas ng pangalan ng lugar nila or pangalan ng food nila, di po ba? Kaya kung napansin niyo po, my content is American English but I very rarely post about proper nouns. Maliban na lang dun sa Juno West, which is actually an adjective, and Worcestershire, which has been my favorite word mula pagkabata. Kasi itong mga proper nouns, they should be pronounced based on the preference of the person whose name it belongs to. And geographical location plays a part as well. So, yeah, Boracay. Boracay. Pero, this is not to say na mali yung mga foreigners or yung mga fellow Filipinos natin in saying Boracay. Kasi Boracay and Boracay, they're both understandable naman. Iniisip ko lang talaga that if I brought a friend over dun sa lugar na yon, I would probably, one way to connect would probably to teach them the correct way of pronouncing that word as the locals do. I'm pretty sure they would appreciate that, yeah?